In the realm of modern celebrity culture, few names resonate as powerful as Kylie Jenner's. At the tender age of 24, Kylie stands as an icon of success, amassing a staggering net worth of approximately $900 million. Yet beyond the glitz and glam of Hollywood, her journey to fortune unveils a tapestry of resilience, entrepreneurship, and strategic branding. Central to her financial empire lies her cosmetics company, Kylie Cosmetics, which catapulted her into the echelons of wealth and influence. However, her ascent to the summit of success wasn't merely a stroke of luck. It was a meticulously crafted narrative of ambition and innovation. One cannot delve into Kylie Jenner's financial prowess without acknowledging her lucrative endorsement deals, each serving as a pillar supporting her towering net worth. From partnering with global sports brands like Puma and Adidas, to gracing the campaigns of fashion powerhouses like Calvin Klein and Balmain, Jenner's brand collaborations span across industries, solidifying her status as a formidable force in the world of marketing. Moreover, her collaborations extend beyond traditional avenues, venturing into the realm of eyewear with Quay Australia and nail polish with Sinful Colors. However, it is her innate ability to leverage her massive social media following that truly distinguishes her from her peers. With over 300 million combined followers on various platforms, Jenner's every post becomes a marketing spectacle, commanding staggering sums for sponsored content and brand partnerships. Her influence transcends boundaries, seamlessly merging the worlds of entertainment, fashion, and beauty into a cohesive narrative of success. Yet, to attribute Jenner's fortune solely to endorsements would be a disservice to her entrepreneurial acumen. At the heart of her financial empire lies Kylie Cosmetics, the brainchild that revolutionized the beauty industry and propelled her into the billionaire stratosphere. Launched in 2015 with the release of her signature lip kits, Jenner's cosmetics venture capitalized on her social media influence and cult-like following, selling out within minutes of release. What began as a modest online venture quickly burgeoned into a global phenomenon, with Kylie Cosmetics expanding its product line to encompass a myriad of beauty products from eyeshadows to skincare. In 2019, Jenner sold a majority stake in her company to Coty Incorporated for $600 million, a move that further cemented her status as a business mogul and catapulted her net worth to astronomical heights. Moreover, Jenner's entrepreneurial spirit knows no bounds, as evidenced by her latest venture, Kylie Baby. Building upon her success in the beauty industry, Kylie Baby seeks to disrupt the world of baby care products, offering a line of premium, environmentally conscious products for infants and toddlers. With her characteristic flair for branding and marketing, Jenner aims to carve out a niche in the lucrative baby care market, capitalizing on her status as a mother and influencer to drive sales and foster brand loyalty. However, Jenner's journey to success was not devoid of challenges. Critics often dismiss her wealth as merely a byproduct of her famous family's reality show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Yet to reduce her accomplishments to mere nepotism is to overlook her relentless work ethic and business savvy. Jenner's ability to harness her family's fame and transform it into a global brand speaks volumes about her entrepreneurial spirit and resilience in the face of adversity. Moreover, her willingness to adapt to changing market trends and embrace new opportunities underscores her status as a forward-thinking businesswoman, constantly striving for innovation and growth. In essence, Kylie Jenner's net worth isn't just a reflection of her beauty, it's a testament to her business prowess, strategic foresight, and unyielding determination. From her groundbreaking cosmetics empire to her myriad of endorsement deals, social media influence, and her latest venture, Kylie Baby, Jenner has redefined what it means to be a modern-day mogul. As we continue to keep up with Kylie, one thing remains abundantly clear. Her financial reign shows no sign of waning, solidifying her status as a titan of industry and an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs worldwide. That's all for today. If you like this video, comment a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more success stories. Help us get to 10,000 subscribers, and until next time, long live the revolution!